In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear fender splash shield on your Toyota Tacoma. This will be located behind a front wheel. Let's get started. Using a trim tool, we're going to pop the clips out of the splash shield. There should be two more on this shield. Ours are missing. Install the splash shield. Install the clips. Install all of the clips, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.